Mucho gusto, damas y caballeros. Bienvenidos a Baked Infused. I'm Leo.
And I'm Tree.
And today we're cooking infused cinnamon rolls.
Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for your baked goods.
To start, here's what you'll need for your dough. 5 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 to 3 cups of whole milk, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 large egg, ½ cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast.
And for the filling, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, ½ a stick of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of cinnamon. Then for the frosting, you'll need 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
The first thing we'll need to do is to set the oven to 375 degrees and grease a 9-inch square baking dish with nonstick spray.
Look at that.
Do I break it right here?
Maybe shit.
There.
Alright. Some salt. That's the part, actually.
You like cinnamon rolls?
No, I'm just kidding. They're good. I like them. I just like them a certain way. So I have to have them a certain way, otherwise I kind of just don't eat them. Like,
Nah, I'd be the fucking way.
the big Texas
Yes.
toast, of
Nah, the
course.
big Texas ones are good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Now, when they sold them at school, oh yeah, I was there in the line. Nah, I definitely want to try more food type, like savory type foods.
Yeah, I really want to like try like some wings. Infused wings.
Nah, some wings would go crazy.
Maybe that's something we could do.
Nah, some.
I don't know.
I'm gonna call it hot lemon pepper wings infused. If you follow our page on Instagram, you can see we talked about greening out as well. Made a post, y'all can follow us and check it out. Pretty much greening out is just y'all again, when you smoke a little too much and everything starts closing in into you, you start mentally repeating everything, you start feeling a little chill down your bed, might throw up, you feel me?
Oh, has that happened to you?
Oh yeah, several times.
I'm so sorry.
Now it's happened before, especially if you don't eat before you go smoke. Oh yeah, and you not still have built tolerance. Oh yeah, everything gonna start shaking.
I think the worst I've ever had as far as a green out is like just being hella paranoid, like just out of my mind, just like any slight whistle is just like, what is that? Like,
No, yeah.
I think that's been like the only time I've greened out. And yeah, don't want to experience that ever again, actually. So
Man, it can happen to the best of us, especially if we around just people we're not used to being high with. Oh yeah, or especially in an environment, everything can just start freaking you out for real. But it's always good to remember that it's all temporary and you'll get through it, you know, even though it feels like for eternity. You know, you'll push through it. Maybe a little glass of water. Might throw up a bit.
So I think the dough looks shaggy enough. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on the counter and we're gonna start kneading it. Here. I'm just gonna piece it up. So I'm just gonna add some flour, just enough to, roll the dough in. And if we need to add more, we can. I think this should be good enough. Yeah, you can. Sure. Now, the fun part, we get to knead our dough. Did you get that out?
That might start feeling a little unsafe after smoking a little bit, you know.
Especially
One little thing I've heard about is if you eat the little black peppers from the shake jars, it can actually lower the paranoia down a bit and actually bring it back down to a little sober level.
That's funny because we actually, I actually commented on our Green Out post about that. And I didn't know that. I was like, oh, that's very cool that you could just put like a little bit of black pepper like under your tongue.
Yeah.
If your dough gets too dry, you can add a little bit of water. It's okay.
Developing shaggy form, it's a little full, looking like pulled pork, you feel me?
Huh?
Nah, cause you know what I mean. It's like a little shit.
Yeah.
If you pull up a picture of pulled pork right now and compare it to the shaggy form, you know what I'm talking about. Now I sound crazy. I'm not crazy.
We're all crazy here.
Oh, it's looking good though.
Okay.
Need some help.
No, I'm strong.
Yeah, I am.
Hold it. No, go ahead.
Alright. Okay. Cool.
And then like pass it to yourself. And then
Okay, like you dribbling.
And then as you can see, it's starting to form. Okay, that was a lot. All right. Now that we have our dough, we're gonna go ahead and place it back into the bowl, and we're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. What are we doing? So now we're about to make the filling. The filling? The filling for our cinnamon rolls. You're gonna take your cinnamon, brown sugar, and your infused butter. Ooh. That looks so good. All right, let's dig it. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Now remember, folks, to make sure to always know how much you're consuming. Microdosing is key to making sure you have an elevated and relaxed experience when you're going through edibles. How much is in this, I do not know personally, but I have had enough in the past, in my experience, to know that I will be alright in trying this. But for those of you at home, y'all not me. Y'all not true.
Nope.
So always make sure to know how much y'all eating. Microdosing.
That's really good.
Oh, that looks really good.
Oh, edit zoom.
Well, I like the little fat kid in me, kind of excited.
Oh, okay. Alright. So now that we have our filling, we're gonna check back on our dough.
Alright, Trey.
Yes, so now we're gonna take our dough out of the bowl. Thank you. And we're gonna go ahead and roll it. Flatten it out, and then we're gonna spread our filling onto the dough. So. I'm already tired.
I'm making a pizza.
Ugh. Something else we could also infuse.
Yeah, comment down below if y'all want us to make a pizza. Comment down below other foods that y'all want to see us infuse.
Or drinks. Tools do help.
Okay, Linguini.
Thank you. This corner's gonna bother the fuck out of me. But it's okay. We don't have to be perfect. You can be who you are. For your pride.
No mistakes, man. Happy accidents.
Alright, bud. Here you go.
Okay.
Let me move this over here just so y'all can see it in case y'all can't see it. So that. Did that.
No, I just spread it evenly, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
I promise I'm not gonna say it.
Let me know if I'm doing this right.
You're perfect just the way you are.
I asked for that shit. I asked.
Feel confidence within yourself.
Oh, good.
It's like 20 cents left to fill it in there. Oh no.
Don't sway. Yes.
Oh, you literally missed it. Like, look at that. There. You're right. I believe in you.
Period.
Alright. So now, do you want to roll it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just try to think of it as.
Okay, so as thin as possible.
Yeah, just like it's tight, but like, you know. How do you want your cinnamon roll to look like? You want it really swirly or loose?
I just know I want it to look like in the pictures.
Okay. And just roll tight.
Am I doing it?
Mm-hmm. Just have a little more confidence. It's okay. You got it. Trust yourself. Just like, there you go. So now we're gonna cut it. Cut. This is our shape of our. This is the actual cinnamon roll. Depending on how loose or tight you want it will determine the size of your cinnamon roll. If you want it loose and bigger, you can, you know, make a loose roll, or if you want it, you know, together, you can make it a little tighter. But these should be good. These should be nice and big.
Nice.
Yeah, they look good. Now we're just gonna place that to the pan. See, they're good.
Oh, it's perfect.
You're so excited. I hear it in your voice.
I'm shaking.
We can do it. It's gonna work. Okay. Remember, just have fun with it. This is
Running from it.
Okay, give me this. Oh my god. Alright.
You know what I'm talking about.
These look
These look amazing.
really good. So now, we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
Cream cheese, half a cream cheese in a medium bowl.
4 ounces. One cup of powdered or confectionate sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're gonna mix it. Espera! I just want to say that.
I can't touch it.
I'm learning.
It's probably boom.
Okay, let's.
I mean, bajo del camino. Bajo del camino.
Bajo el camino?
Yeah.
What should I say?
Down the street.
Oh! I thought you were like telling me this. Say it again?
Bajo del camino.
Alright. Baja del camino? La? Le? La.
El.
It's wrong. This is wrong altogether. How do you say wrong in Spanish?
Wrong. Incorrecto. Or, no, that's incorrect.
I mean, but that is.
It's ain't either or, you feel me? Nah, it's looking good so far.
It smells good too. Hold up. Now we actually doing something. Okay. Smell it. What does it smell like?
Nah, it's not real. Vanilla. Like,
That's good. I think that's a good place to
it's
start.
good.
So now we're gonna get the cinnamon rolls out of the oven. It looks so good.
Nah, it came out great. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the icing on it.
You wanna do it?
But yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot. This is a lot better than what I thought it was gonna turn out.
It, which one? Which one?
It does not matter. But maybe that one. I'm so sorry. That one.
Alright.
Cool. A little crumbly, that's alright. This looks really good. Thank you.
Yeah, hard work. Now it's time to see what it's talking about.
¿Está listos?
Steve. Okay.
This is so good.
I'm gonna go.
Yep.
Let me put the cameras for this one.
Thank y'all for tuning in. We about to smash the fuck out of these.
Nah, but these cinnamon rolls came out great. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and follow. All of our socials will be in the description down below. I'm Leo,
And I'm Tree.
and this is Baked Infused.